In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MetaTrader 5 settings. Whether your charts look off, panels are scattered, or platform options have changed, there are a few simple ways to return MT5 to its default state without reinstalling. I'll walk you through resetting individual charts, restoring your workspace, adjusting platform options, and doing a complete clean start if you need it. Let's start with a quick chart reset. If your colors, indicators, or chart layout don't look right, reset the chart itself. Right-click directly on the chart and open Properties or press F8. In the Properties window, click Reset, then choose OK. This restores the chart's appearance and related settings to MT5's defaults, which is often enough to fix odd color schemes or formatting that crept in over time. Another quick way to clear unwanted formatting is to right-click the chart, go to Templates, and select Default.tpl. Loading the default template removes most custom styling and brings the chart back to a clean baseline. If your entire layout feels messy, with multiple charts and panels out of place, restore the MT5 workspace, also called the profile. Open the File menu at the top, choose Profiles, and select Default. This brings back the original layout MT5 starts with, which can be a lifesaver if windows have been dragged around or hidden and you want a familiar starting point again. If the issue is deeper, like trading behavior or platform preferences that were changed, use the Options window. Open Tools, then Options, or press Ctrl+O. Review the key tabs such as Charts, Trade, and Server. Where you see a Reset button, click it to revert that section to defaults. Not every tab has a reset option, so you can also manually change values back to standard settings. Options is where MT5 stores many of its core preferences, from how charts load to how orders are handled, so a careful pass here can solve problems without touching your layouts. If MT5 still isn't behaving, perform a full reset for a clean start. Close MetaTrader 5 completely. In your MT5 folder, delete any custom profiles and templates. When you restart MT5, the platform will automatically recreate the default settings and folders, giving you a fresh, factory-style environment. Keep in mind, this removes custom layouts and templates you added. Start with the lightest reset, like a single chart, and move up only if needed. With these steps, you can confidently return MT5 to a tidy, reliable setup.